So the browser extension runs on all Chromium-based browsers, meaning Chrome, Opera, Brave, etc. You click on Add to Chrome simply, or here also, if you want to install it on Brave or Opera or other browsers that are Chromium-based, you can also click on this. Then it automatically installs the browser extension. Upon installation, you can pin it just using the pin, and then it is accessible at any time in your nav. When clicking on the icon, you'll be prompted to the login page. With your login credentials, you can log in at any time. If you receive the link to install it, you'll automatically have already. And then after you logged in, you will see all the premium features enabled. There will also be an onboarding sequence here that prompts you through it. Now, the first break will actually appear. So if we're going to any other website than the Chrome Web Store, there will be a break reminder right now. Here in this case, it is a posture. So I can move this anywhere. So if I want to keep reminded to sit more upright, I can scale it and leave it on my screen, or I can click it away. So further features are not only the break reminders, but there's also color filters and background sounds. So to see the color filter, it's better to go on a white website here, for instance, Wikipedia, which is very bright white, and to reduce the eye strain that we oftentimes have looking at bright white colors, white backgrounds, you can apply any kind of color. For instance, my favorite one is purple, and you can apply a strength here to it. So it's maybe a little bit too much. So whatever works for you, and taking this away and it's too much, I set it on 1 minute so I can demonstrate it. You can of course choose your own length of it. So you guys go to the recharge, the breaks filter, and then you can select your own schedule. I recommend 45 minutes or an hour, so you get a good flow in of work before the next break comes. And you can select the quick breaks, or you can select a longer break here that guides you through a little posture movement exercise or breath work or simple meditation exercise. You can always have access to the library at any point. You can see your recent breaks, and you can also save ones that are your favorite ones. For instance, I really like to do neck rolls to help me with posture. And then here for the color, you can also find your color, go through an exercise where it detects your heart rate just using the webcam, and then it learns over time using our patented AI to what's your most common color filter. Here, for instance, you will then see which type of color has a personalized heart rate. And then here for the sounds, I'm not sure it will be picked up by the screen recording right now. You can choose different background sounds that will help you focus at any time. And then outside of the color filter, the sounds, the recharge, the breaks, you can also see your analytics to see how many breaks you've been taking, to help you stay motivated, how many hours without a break. And you can always check which kind of personalized color based on your heart rate, go to the library, and also go to your account to choose light mode, dark mode, to share it with your colleagues or friends. If you want to recommend it, we're grateful for it. And you can go to the account settings as well. Yeah, and you can also actually change it to Spanish if that's your preferred language. There's also many breaks here that are in the library that are only in Spanish. And we wish you a wonderful time using our browser extension. It runs on any kind of website except for obviously the installation website, the Chrome Web Store. And otherwise, on any kind of website where using it, you will get break reminders, you get the color filters, you get the background sounds. If you have any questions, please contact us anytime. And